National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County in eastern New York, west central Fulton County in eastern New York, southern Herkimer County in eastern New York, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 13 miles west of Poland, or 6 miles northwest of Utica, and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Poland by 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Coldbrook by 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Newport by 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Frankfurt and Middleville by 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Ilion and Cedarville by 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Herkimer and Mohawk by 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This storm has a history of producing large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@noaa.gov or on Facebook at www.facebook.com/US nationalweatherservice.albany.gov. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Fulton, Herkimer, and Montgomery. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Caledonia County in northeast Vermont, Memorial County in northwest Vermont, northeastern Orange County in central Vermont,